Hi, let's take a look at tiles and announcements. From the main dashboard, swipe down until you see your personalized announcement tiles. Tap them to see announcements and promotions from Pioneer Telephone Cooperative. In the Smart Home Tiles area, find the Protect IQ tile. Here you can find insights on the number of viruses, malware, and web threats that were blocked from your devices. Tap Trusted List to see excluded items from security scans. Skip devices show devices excluded from network scans. Manage devices by clicking checkboxes for devices to be excluded. Tap Intrusion settings to take advanced measures to keep your network safe, such as blocking suspicious traffic and stopping port scans before they reach your devices. Return to the home page by tapping the home icon in the lower left-hand corner or the backwards arrow in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. In the Experience IQ section, find content filters and ad blocking insights, which are expandable by tapping the opposing arrow icon. Network Restrictions lets you set content restrictions for new devices connected to your network. Monitor online activity by setting content restrictions in the People Restrictions section. Tap a name to manage its profile.